or detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
YouTube General naman kayo. Alam naman na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung sina-charge sa kanya ngayon. Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo na. And then, hindi pa kayo na, ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo membro. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General.
Yes.
You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedure process, here we are being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano ba naman to, sir?
Sure. And there's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
Recognizing our obligations under the okay, sir?
Ang inaano lang din mo namin.
Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the rules.
Ito na ang sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR to the plane. May bus dyan, and he's going to the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight
Okay.
from? Sir, we need
The
to
hard way.
know. We
The hard-
need to know
Ma'am,
where
ma'am,
you're bringing our
ma'am.
president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give
Ma'am.
us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way,
Kung
Tang
sino po
ina
may
ka.
grade,
The hard
pakisagot
way.
po kami.
the hard way is for me to